The Google Pixel 9 Pro is a flagship smartphone that combines high performance, thoughtful design, and cutting-edge technology. It is a long-awaited update to the Pixel line and offers a host of new features while maintaining a compact size. The Pixel 9 Pro stands out for its modern look with flat edges and matte glass on the back. It has a 6.3-inch display with a resolution of 1280 by 2856 pixels, which uses LTPO OLED technology. The maximum brightness reaches 3000 nits, which makes it comfortable to use in bright sunlight. Adaptive refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz ensures smooth animations and energy savings. The smartphone is powered by Google's Tensor G4 processor with 16 GB of RAM and a minimum of 128 GB of internal storage. This provides excellent performance for multitasking and everyday use, although it may be inferior to its Qualcomm competitors in games. The Pixel 9 Pro camera is one of the highlights of the device. Main camera, 50MP. Ultra-wide camera, 48MP. Telephoto camera, 48MP with 5x optical zoom. The cameras deliver excellent photo quality even in low light conditions thanks to large sensors and advanced image processing algorithms. The new Add Me feature allows you to combine 2 consecutive photos into one, which adds creative possibilities. Artificial intelligence. The Pixel 9 Pro includes the latest AI features such as Gemini Live, which allows users to interact with Google's voice assistant in a more natural way. This feature can remember conversation topics and provide relevant information. Overall, the Google Pixel 9 Pro is a powerful device with high specifications that is suitable for both everyday use and photography enthusiasts. What is the difference between the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL? Both models have similar camera and processor specs, but the XL offers a larger display and battery, which may be preferable for users looking for more battery life and screen real estate.